Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome to Learn with Your Brain. I'm still going to Dr. Don, make CEO, anything name you can call me. You know I'm talking about. We're back again to Learn with Your Brains, and today I'm going to show you 10 websites I wish I knew earlier on. Okay, so the first website on our list is called clickersnap.com. It pays to share, sign up, and get paid. So all you could do is to sign up and start uploading pictures. You see some people even uploaded their graduation pictures, so any picture of yourself, anything actually which is in a picture format, you can upload on this website and start get paid for your content you share here. Okay, so let's click a snap. The second on our list is carmoa.com. That is the fastest way to resize your video. Okay, so you have a whole large video and you want it to look in like a phone format, like see the iPhone here. This is the desktop view. Okay, you can just resize on this website. You log in and try to upload your video here and try to resize it. As simple as that. It has some pricing. When you want to get more features, you can pay for it as usual. So that's the second on our list. And the third is content trips. So simple way to create your daily content for your personal brand. So you could see example here. You can just do your brand and try to write something just like that. Okay, get started for free. And it's a simple way to create daily content for your personal brand. And that brings us to the third on our list. Okay, so the fourth on our list is what ContentRow.com, where here you try to make new secret source of creating killer written content that surprise on your engagement. So all you need to do is to write some content for your blog. You need a site so that it try to, and it's kind of like a Grammarly, try to give you some suggestion, like the words you use, your English, anything you try to do. You try to shape things in order so that when you're reading, will not be in terms of plagiarism and a whole lot of. They have the pro version where you can pay for it, but because people like free, you just sign up. They give you some free version with some limitation. As simple. That brings us to the fifth on our list, which is Mock Magic. Here you can create mockup after your design. You can use this website to create, and you see create a mock is free. So this is the fifth one. You just do your design, come to this website and try to create mockups for your product, whether it's a cap, a hat, a t-shirt, everything. You can do it and preview on your phone for you to see so that you can upload to your web page or other stuff. So that's the fifth one list. And you come to the sixth, which is digital fine. Here you can just enroll in the free courses and claim certificates. So what do you want to learn? You put it here. It gives you everything and the course you want to learn. After that, you get what? You find the best course online. Learners over 202 million people and 78,000 courses online right now. So you come here, learn something new, and get a certificate after that. And the seventh one is NCS.io. This organization is actually on YouTube. They have a page for non-copyright songs. Here you can get music without limitation. You know, people always get copyrighted when they upload videos on YouTube or any platform because they don't own the music and they didn't get any permission from the owners of the song. So with this website, they've given permission. You can use it for your videos, your wedding, everything actually. For that vlog, trying to do selfie video and stuff. Get music from here and do your videos. And number 8 on our list is Answer Socrates, where people or other people who want to ask questions, you have answers, we have questions. So you have questions, we have answers. It's it's a program. Okay. So all you need to do is to just put in a question, people answer. When you answer, you have answers. They also have questions for you as usual. So it keeps on, and they have trending topics that's going on. You just select a topic, country, and the language. They have a whole lot of languages here. Czech, Danish, a whole lot here, right here. So you can just go to this. It's called AnswerSocrates.com. That's 8 on our list. And number 9 on our list is hashtagstack.com. So the most advanced hashtag we use to match learning. So imagine you want to search something for your video, let's say website or dogs. Okay, just type in dog, and when you click on search, going to give you a whole lot of hashtags. Collecting your results. This may take up to 1 minute. It depends on the speed of your internet. It is going to generate a whole lot of hashtags for you. So you say we have over dog, we have 3 million. So you can use this hashtag for your video. Okay, it generated over 55 hashtags selected. So you can use this on your video to push your algorithm and make sure like this your video you are creating is based on dog, so that you can get maybe some views from it through the hashtag when people try to browse through the hashtag. So you see, when you have 311 million people, okay, views already made there. When you put your dog, maybe your house dog, and do a video and put this, and it goes through this algorithm and make sure it enters this dog hashtag, you could see you are going to get a lot of views. So this is another great website when you want to use that for your videos. And I wish I knew this thing earlier on. Okay, that's number 9. And number 10 is Contra.com, where you work the way you want. So you can be in your job, your permanent job. By here you can just come here for freelance jobs, try to put your ideas all together to share your knowledge and get paid for it. So this brings us to the 10 website I wish I knew part 1. So if you want more, just let me know in the link below, and I'm going to bring you part 2 up to any part you want. Okay, take care, have a nice day, goodbye.